Do you want to know how you can sign up for your Grok AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Grok AI. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar to search for Grok AI sign up, and click on the first link which appears on your screen, and it will take you to the official page of Grok. You can see that this is the sign up portal as directly as you click on the link. So the first step is to write down your email address. The second step is to write down your first name and then your last name. Go ahead and write down your organizational name or your organization name, and then go to the title and write down your title of work. And you can see this as over here. My organization is a startup, SMB, enterprise. You can click on any of these and you can see some of the industry types over here. You can choose on your area over here and click submit. This way you can see that a form has been submitted and a member from our team will be in touch. So you can see, go and check your mail and you can see that a mail will be sent. Go ahead and click on that mail and you can sign up for Grok. I hope this video about how you can sign up for Grok was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.